Ginger walnut streusel apple muffin tops are rustic cakes with a moist and tender apple citrus crumb on the inside and a crunchy walnut ginger crumb on the outside. The best walnut flavor comes from fresh walnuts, so to make a pint or 2 cups of a sweet walnut raisin milk, soak 60 grams or a half cup of walnuts overnight. The next day rinse the walnuts and blend with 375 grams fresh water and 50 grams raisins, then strain through a nut milk bag. Store it in the refrigerator. Raisin walnut milk will be at its best for 3 or 4 days. To make a generous cup of lemon apple compote, simmer 200 grams peeled and chopped Granny Smith apple with the zest and juice of a lemon and 75 grams of brown sugar until the apples are soft, about 5 minutes, and allow to cool. Store it in the refrigerator. Lemon apple compote will be at its best for about a week. To make 6 ginger walnut streusel apple muffin tops, prepare your pan with butter and a dusting of flour, then make a half cup of ginger walnut streusel topping. Make sure your ingredients are cold and rub 30 grams flour, 30 grams sugar, 3 grams ginger, 30 grams of chopped walnuts, and 30 grams of cold butter between your fingertips until an even crumb is formed. Then for the batter, scale the dry and wet ingredients separately. For the dry, mix 85 grams flour, 80 grams sugar, 2 grams baking powder, and a gram of salt, leaving a little well in the center for the wet ingredients. Then mix 2 eggs, 25 grams walnut oil, 50 grams walnut milk, 50 grams lemon apple compote, and pour into the well. Next, mix to combine using the muffin method, which is to fold the dry into the wet ingredients until just combined, about 20 strokes, being careful not to overmix. Then refrigerate the batter and streusel topping separately for up to 2 days, or portion into the prepared pan and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve the ginger walnut streusel apple muffin tops the same day they are baked with matcha tea.